So lymphocytes, which is the other type of a white blood cell, their function is to defend the body against the infection by producing antibodies and antitoxins. Antibodies are proteins that destroy germs, foreign bodies, while antitoxins are proteins that neutralize poisons. Uh-huh. So that is what lymphocytes do. So this is the way they look like. I'm sure we're able to see this diagram here. They have also the cell membrane, thin cytoplasm nucleus, then adaptation, the presence of large nucleus and the thin cytoplasm. So that is the adaptation, or that is what helps it to function well. Then there's also another uh, plant, the type of a cell known as the guard cell. These are pair of cells that surround each stoma. Functions to control the size of the stoma. Adaptations, they occur in pairs and each cell has a semicircular, which is the curved shape when touched, and the straight shape when plasmolized. So when they are attached, they look like a semicircular shape, and when they are and a straight shape, they look like a straight shape when they are plasmolized. We also look at this one as the plasmolysis. Okay, and also the turgidity. I want to believe this is we are going to look at it as we move forward. So their cell walls are thicker around the shape, around the stoma, than anywhere else. This makes it possible for the stoma to open when these cells absorb water. So this is what we are seeing here. This is what we are seeing here. This shape here we are seeing here. Okay, this shape we are seeing here. This is what we have, and this is what is involved under this. This is what is involved under this, which is the guard cell. So we move forward to the next thing. So there's also another cell which is known as the phloem cells. Their function is to transport manufactured food from one part of the plant to another. Adaptation end walls between the budding cells are perforated to form silver plates. Protoplasm is partly lost, leaving behind some cytoplasmic strands. Presence of companion cells which supply phloem cells with the enzymes and ATP. So the phloem cells, their function it is to transport manufactured food from one part of the plant to another. So this is the part which transports food from one part of the plant to another. This is the plant cell. I mean not a plant cell, but I mean this is the parts we have here. These are the parts we have there. These are the parts we have, which is known as the silver plates. We have the silver tube. We have companion cells with the dense and also the end walls, silver tube, and so forth. So we move to the next point where we have the cell which is known as the Palisade cell. Which have the Palisade cell. The Palisade cell, I mean this one is the Palisade cell there. The Palisade cell is carrying out photosynthesis. Adaptations it has got. The Palisade cell, its function is to carry out photosynthesis. So its function or its adaptations, it has a higher concentration of cytoplasm. Okay. The cells are longer vertically than horizontal. This allows chloroplasts to migrate upwards or downward as light intensity changes so that they are not damaged by excess light. So from this video, we'll look at cell organization. Our next video will be under cell organization.